On today's episode, I use a wire brush. I borrowed some sweaty underwear. Then I weld really fast in fast motion. We're gonna start off by remove those nasty welds and re-weld everything. Remember to hold up the fender. You don't want to weld a sagging fender. Welcome to a welder's journey. I'm Jesse and I hope you're gonna enjoy today's repair. I always say, better be safe than sorry. Headphone users, beware, it's gonna be loud. Remove all the old welds so you can start fresh. Everything is cleaned and is ready to start welding. I'm gonna use a 70-18 rod, 1/8 thickness, about 100 amps. What I like to do is run 2 or 3 stringers, depends on the thickness on the and the application, and then do a weave cap. Cap is on. Next to it, If you can see closely, there's a crack. I'm gonna do the same thing. 2 stringers and cap. The base of the fender mount is now complete. On to the side brackets. If you like this video and you want to support the channel, it's really easy and free. Just hit the subscribe button and enjoy my videos. That's done. On to the next task. We have a few loose rivets on the frame, so what I'm gonna do is cut them out and replace them with bolts. Real easy, hopefully. Those rivets are right next to the gas tank, so please use wet rags and be safe. You don't want to go up in flames and explode the truck, explode yourself, explode the shop, and your boss gonna be crazy. Why is it always the last one that's gonna give you a hard time? I mean, look at this. It's the last rivet in the frame that I need to cut out, and it won't come out. Enough playing with my hammer. I am the god of hellfire. Can't be stuck if you're liquid. On to the final task. Fix those small pinholes on the exhaust. I choose to use the Mack 251. It's more precise and you can lower the voltage so you don't blow right through the exhaust. Don't you just hate it when you forget to turn on the gas? It's gonna blow through no matter what you do, so that's what you want. Keep tacking it until you find good metal and go with it. Just go with it, see the metal flowing, feel it, see what you can do. It's gonna fill up. Be patient and it's gonna go well. Thank you for joining me on today's repair, and don't forget to spray paint. That's gonna make it 99.7% better. Thank you so much for watching, boys, and I'll see you next time.